Welcome guys. Okay, the issue I'm having here with this machine is that it doesn't move the fabric properly. As you can see, it's bouncing the fabric. I don't know if you are experiencing what I'm saying. As I'm trying to sew it, instead of the fabric to be moving freely, it's bouncing, going front and back. Now this happened immediately. The owner of the machine changed a new feed dog, a new teeth, this one right here now. She changed it into a new one and started behaving like that, and the reason why is that the feed dog is too high. Are you seeing it? It's too high. It shouldn't be as high as this. So I'm going to show you how to bring it down to the normal height. Whenever the feed dog is as high as it is, it tends to be moving the fabric wrongly, to be bouncing. So this is how you do the adjustment. You are going to loosen this screw here now to adjust it. So just get a long screwdriver and then you just slack the knot. Just loosen it a little bit. After you have loosened it, you are going to bring down the teeth like this. Now just use the screwdriver, put at the back of this thing, and you just bring it down. You can also use your hand to bring it down. Now look at the teeth here, the feed dog is coming down. You shouldn't bring it too down, if not the fabric won't move at all. So just reduce the height to this extent. You can see that the sharp teeth is what is out alone, not the entire body of the teeth. So just bring it down to that height and then you tighten back this screw. Now this is how it should be. Look at the height of the feed dog now, and it's making it to be moving freely now. So I'm going to test it back with the fabric. As you can see, it's moving very well now. Usually it wasn't moving this fast. So I just adjusted the height of the feed dog and started moving properly. I'm going to connect a thread and also test it out. Alright, the dog is moving properly. If you're having this same issue, just do exactly what I did on the video. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.